Hello kids. Today we are going to solve second semester's examination question paper science SST. Subject SST. Today we are going to solve the SST second semester's question paper. Marks 50. Standard class 5th standard. Question 1. It is for 5 marks. Match the columns. Here two columns are there, column A and column B. In A column, A. Samuel Morse, B. Sir Alexander Graham Bell, C. Johannes Gutenberg, D. Marconi, E. John Baird. In B column, 1. Print media, 2. Television, 3. Radio, 4. Telephone, 5. Electric telegraph. Now we match the both columns. Okay. Samuel Morse invented the electric telegraph. Sir Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone. Johannes Gutenberg invented the print media, Marconi invented radio, and John Baird invented the television. Okay? Now, second question, tick the correct statements and cross for the wrong means incorrect ones. A. Nelson Mandela fought for the rights of peasants in America. Wrong. B. Martin Luther King Jr. was awarded by Nobel Peace Prize in 1964. Yes, correct. C. Gandhiji studied law in South Africa. Wrong. D. Mother Teresa was founded the Missionaries of Charity. Yes, correct. E. The Civil Rights Act of 1964 gave the African American equal rights. Yes, correct. Now, next question. Question 3. Give 2 examples of each of the following prairies wildlife for 4 marks. A. Grazing animals are bison, pronghorn. B. Carnivores, owls and foxes. C. Birds, quails and hawks. D. Rodents, gophers and prairie dogs. Next, turn the page. Question 4. Fill in the blanks by selecting the correct options from those given in the bracket. Options are Australia, wheat, southern pampas and 1/4. A. Grasslands cover the more than 1/5 of the Earth's surface. B. The grasslands are known as pampas in South America. C. Cotton is grown in the southern prairies. D. America exports surplus wheat to other countries. E. The grassland in the Australia are called the downs. Next question 5. Identify the following freedom fighters and write their names. Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru and Chandrasekhar Azad. Now 6th question. Answer the following question for 14 marks. 7 questions are there. Each question has 2 marks. What is a desert? Answer. Desert is a large, dry and arid area of a land with a sparse vegetation and scanty or no rainfall. Question B. Name the main organs of the UNO. The answer. The main organs of the UNO are the General Assembly, the Security Council, the Economic and Social Council, the Trusteeship Council and the International Court of Justice and the UN Secretariat. Next question C. What is Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan? Answer. Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan means Education for All project. The UNICEF support this India's Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. It ensures access to educating enrollment and improve the learning methods and outcomes for the most marginalized group of children. Understood, my kids? Okay. Next question. What are grasslands? Grasslands are area where the vegetation is dominated by grasses and there is a very less trees. E. Why did Gandhiji march to Dandi? The British had complete control over the manufacture of salt and forced the people to buy salt brought from England at high price. So Gandhiji marched to Dandi. Next, F. What is internet? The internet is a global network that connects the computers, laptops, mobiles. It serves as a medium to send and receive the messages through the email within a minutes. Next question. G. Who are Bedouins? Bedouins are nomadic Arabs living in Saudi Arabia. Understood, my kids? Okay, next question. Answer the following questions in brief. Describe the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Answer. On 13th April 1919, more than the 10,000 men, women and children had assembled at the Jallianwala Bagh in the Amritsar to oppose the Revolt Act in a peace manner. To foil the demonstration, General Dyer and his soldiers blocked only the entrance and without any warning opened fires on the crowd, killing the thousands of innocents and unarmed people. This deceitful and the mysterious massacre shocked the Indian people across the country. Okay, kids? Now, next question. Write a few sentences on air transport. Here, air missed. Sorry for that. Write a sentence on our air transport. Answer. Air travel is the fastest and most expensive mode of transport. Air travel is the fastest and most expensive mode of transport. State capitals and important towns are connected by the domestic airways, while towns and the cities of the other countries are connected by international airways. Airways help in transporting high value and time sensitive goods such as sophisticated medicines, expenses, life saving drugs, etc. Airways help in transporting high value and time sensitive goods such as sophisticated medicines, expensive life saving drugs, etc. India has a good number of well designed domestic and international airports. Okay, kids? Now, last question. Look out for the following animals or birds in the given letters. Here, animals and birds name given. You read that one and you find in this one. Already you did. Most of the children found the correct answer. Thank you, kids. Okay. Now, gross. See here. You find this one. Grouse. Grouse. So, we circle this one. Gross word. Second word is the scorpion. See here, already I showed this one, given examples, copy on. Gas hill. Look here, Gazelle, gas hill. Okay, now owl, 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 circle this one. Last word, jackal, JACKAL, jackal. Understood, kids? This type you round that one, circle that one. Already you did it and you submitted the paper. Most of the children solved the paper very good. Thank you, kids, and thank you for watching the video.